Hi there. I will show you how to speed up your Wi-Fi or internet connection. First, go to network and sharing. I use wireless connection. Our Wi-Fi. Please, you may follow me. Secure connections and click properties. Just wait a little more. Okay, go to Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Double click it and mark use mark the use the following answer and type this. The 208.7.67, sorry, the 208.67.22.22 is the preferred DNS server. The alternative server is 208.67.22.20. And after you put these numbers in your DNS server address, and click OK, OK, and close. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Subscribe and we have more videos to fix the internet. Thanks. I'm sorry for my English.